All right, there she is. Been a couple days. Been busy as shit, but anyway, finally got that top on this boat. I'm well pleased with this thing. The rocket launcher's up there. I can't wait to put that thing to use. That's a sexy, sexy thing to me. Oh, battery charger's about to fall off. I mean, it don't look like the same boat. I can't wait to get on the water with this thing. This summer's gonna be nice with this rascal. Just rinsed it off. All the feet print out of it. That is a pretty thing to me. Christmas present from my wife. It's a Striker T-top. Took about 4 months to get it. They had a problem with the ports out in California, so they say. I've heard otherwise, but anyway. Yeah, it was worth the wait. Rocket launchers up there. Yes, indeed. Yep. All right. Well, I told you I'd get a video of it once I got it up here, and there she is. Y'all have a good one.